All right, you've created your Twitter account, and now it's time to set it up for success. Lesson one is changing your avatar or profile image, changing your header image, and your bio with website and city. All right, let's do it. So we're going to click Set Up Profile. It says pick a profile picture. I have made myself a folder on my desktop with everything that I need. Here is the logo I created. All right. It doesn't fit quite in the circle like it should, but whatever. Now I'm going to pick my header, which I made in canva.com. All right, now I'm going to use my bio. You have 160 characters, but that doesn't mean you need to use them all. So I've already wrote this. I'm going to copy and paste, just like when you cook. Everything's about preparation. So if you get all the things ready, then your account will look amazing, right? Hey, what's going on? Aha. Where's my website? I want to put my website in. Okay, now I can change it to how to get paid now. My location is San Antonio, Texas. And my website is howtogetpaid.soulsites.co. And because I'm in San Antonio, I'm going to put SATX since I have room. Save. Now, my account is completely ready. Do you have overdue invoices? You probably hate asking and following up, right? My tips will help. Hashtag small biz, hashtag WordPress, SATX for San Antonio. I'm not following anybody. And there's my website. Now, it's really important that you understand that you're not going to follow anybody until you do the step in the next video, which is set up your first tweet. One of the things people make mistakes on, every day I see this, is creating their account and then following a bunch of people. You want to make sure you have a complete profile that looks professional and represents you for your small business. So get that done and then watch the next video. Thank you.